There's going to be things that gets in the way, but how you deal with those makes you who you are. You've got to let it go. You've got to move on, because all the while you're holding on to it, you're never going to get out of this life what you can.
If the people underneath don't believe that you have their back, they will stab you in the back first chance they get. Whereas if these people underneath you see that you're taking hits for them, but he took the blame, he didn't just pass the blame on to me when he could have really, really easily, they now start looking at you as a leader, and they look at you with respect, and that's when they start doing things for you. This life can be great. This life can be amazing. This life can be anything you want it to be. Anything at all. If you've got that thing that you had when you were younger, right? That thing that you wanted to do. Why can't you do it? Just start asking yourself the question, you know, what if I could? Why can't I do that? All of these why questions, they're going to start sparking some beautiful solutions, man, and who knows, it could change your life. Start living the life you want to do, doing the things you want to do, seeing the things you want to see, being the person you want to be. For you, I suddenly just stopped caring what people think, and the quality of my life has been so much better since then. Make today the day that you just drop it all. Just stop caring what they think. Be yourself. Get up, get out, and get some shit done. Wake up and be thankful that you can breathe, you can go out, that you've got people around you that love you. Just go and live your life, man.
I believe in you so much. I believe that you can do anything you want to do if you really put your mind to it. People are going to try to hold you back. They're going to judge you. They're going to laugh at you in some cases, but you can't let that bit hold you back. What anyone else thinks, do you, be you, and you'll find happiness. You've got to try to go round it. You've got to try to go under it. You've got to try to go over it. And if all else fails, you've got to smash through the thing. You've got to claw with your fingernails to get through it. Never give up. Never. So you want to be the best. You want to get to the top. You want to achieve success. I'm sick and tired of all you people out there that go around talking shit about what you want, what you're going to get, what you're going to have, what you're going to do, where you're going to go, and not doing shit to actually make it happen. The only way to get what you want in life is to get to work and go and get it. To look at all your adversity and all the excuses square in the face and push yourself out of your comfort zone to achieve what you want. Thanks for watching this video, guys. Listen, if you want more motivational fire coming to you every single week, then subscribe to my channel right here. If you don't know why you should subscribe yet and you need a little bit more convincing, watch my next video right here. Thanks for watching.